How to answer a second call on a Yealink Deskphone. Today we will walk through answering a second call while on an active call. While talking with a caller, you may receive a second call, which will be indicated with a call waiting tone, as well as a notification and the caller ID on your screen. When a second call comes in, you will have the option to either accept or reject the call. If you accept the call, the first caller will automatically be placed on hold while you answer the second call. You will then have the option to swap back to the first call, conference the two calls together, or transfer the call to another person. Once you've completed talking with the second caller, you may hang up the phone. The first call will reappear on the screen and you'll have the option to resume that call.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about our services, give us a call or visit us online at VorTechCS.com.